Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going through how to play Groovy Kind of Love by the MIndbenders. I do hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to play the whole thing, the chords, the guitar solo, the intro, actually the whole thing you need to play Groovy Kind of Love, which was also a big hit for Phil Collins, but today it is very much the MIndbenders version. If you liked today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar based tutorials. So if you're ready, go grab a guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Right, so first off, let's get into it. So first off, what I want to do is give you that intro. So the one that goes... and it goes like this. So what we're going to do, we're going to put our second finger on the D string, up there on the 7th fret. Then little finger on the 9th fret, first finger on the 6th fret of the G string, second finger 7th fret of the G string, and then little finger on the 9th fret of the G. We're going to play that twice. So it's like a scale. We go, and then we're going to go backwards on it. So that's second finger on the 7th fret of the G. Then we got first finger on the 6th fret of the G. So we got little finger on the 7th fret of the D. Second finger on the 7th fret of the D. And then down to twice on the 6th fret of the D string. So we go all the way up and all the way down. So it goes, and then just to finish off, we go, so that's on the D string, we're going to go 7th fret, 6th fret, and then little finger on the A string now, up there on the 9th fret. So we got, and then back 6th fret on the D, and then once on the 7th fret of the D string. Okay, so all together. Right, and that is the intro. Okay, so let's get into some chords. So what we're going to do, we're going to go play an A. So it goes bass up, down, up, bass up, down, up. You can just, if you wanted to, skip playing the bass note and then up, down, up. You can just, if you want to keep it nice and simple, you can go. But I find what works best is the bass note and then up, down, up. So like that. Okay, so so we're going to play the 5th string, up, down, up. So that's A. When I'm feeling blue, all I have to, and then we're going to go to an E chord, do, and then we go back to A. Then we've got B minor. Works best as a bar chord. You can play it like that if you just play 4, 3, 2, 1 strings, not playing the top 2, but I like all 6, so I'm going to bar that. Then we're going to go to a D, and then C sharp minor. So that's like a B minor, what you was playing, but we're going to move that up to the 4th position. Then back down to a B minor again. E. A. E. A. E. So just to give give you all a little run through again. So the verse, before the key change happens, later on there's a key change, it goes up. But for now, we're going to go A, 2, 3, 4. A, E, la 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 la, A, then to B minor, D, C sharp minor, B minor, E, A, then to E, now the groovy kind, back to A, groovy kind of E. And then next verse is the same as this verse, okay? Then what happens is, we've got the guitar solo, which is very similar to the intro that I've shown you how to play already, but only it's moved up one semitone. So instead of being what we played before, we're going to move our second finger up to the 8th fret of the D string, so we can go. Okay, yeah. So let's go through that. So this is the guitar solo. Goes 8 on the D, 10 on the D with a little finger, 7 on the G, 8 on the G, twice on 10 on the G. So that little run goes, yeah, and then back down the other way. That is 8 on the G, 7 on the G, 10 on the D, 8 on the D, and then twice on the 7th fret of the D string. So going up and going down, so it's going to go. And then, which is 8 on the D, 7 on the D, 10 on the A string, 7 on the D string, twice on the 8th fret of the D string, that bit, and then we're going to do the final bit, which goes 10 on the D, 8 on the D, 7 on the D, 8 on the D, and then we're going to do this slidey thing where we slide up with our little finger from the 10th fret of the D string up to the 12th and then back again. It goes. So altogether that goes like this. Yeah, so it's slow motion. In full time it'll be. Okay, so that's the guitar solo, which means when it comes out of the guitar solo, we're going back into some new set of chords because we've moved everything up a semitone. So now we're going to start work with a B flat rather than an A. We're going to move up to a B flat. Bar chord for this is best. F, B flat, C minor, D sharp. Now what we're going to do for the D sharp, we're going to bar all 6 and then go 4, 3, 2 on the 8th fret. Okay, so strings 4, 3, 2. Now you're going to want to do this. Don't play the first string because that gives us a D sharp 6. We don't want that. Just stop short. Slightly lift up if you can on your 3rd finger to make that first string muted. Okay, so let's go through that again. So first off, we've got B flat, which is 6th fret. 2, 3, 4. B flat, F, B flat, C minor, D sharp, D minor. That D minor there is the same shape you was using for the B minor, but we're going to do it up on the 5th fret. C minor, F. Wouldn't you agree? B flat. Then down to F, down a groovy kind of B flat, and down to F. Right, last time. I'm going to take it all the way through. Just going to call the chords out. Here we go. B flat. This is when this is the key change version. This is after the guitar solo. So first off, 2 B flat, 2 3. Get a bit closer to the camera for you so you can see. 2 3 4 B flat. F B flat. C minor. D sharp. D minor. C minor. F. B flat. F. B flat. F. B flat. So there we have it, Groovy Kind of Love by the Mindbenders. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any other song suggestions that you may have for songs you'd like me to show you how to play in a future video. If you've liked today's video, please can you do me a massive favour? Click the like and subscribe button, and that helps me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. 50s, 60s and 70s videos every Friday at 5. So I'll see you next time around. Take great care of yourselves. See you then. Thank you. Bye-bye.